Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's talk about this. What happened in Nanda? Hey, ngoba boleya ndawo ngiyayitshela kaSathane honestly. Back in the days, you wouldn't even hear one story. When I was growing up, my name was as a 0 to 18-year-old. When I left Mlazi, I was about 18 actually. Hi, well, guys. It never used to be like this. Ubuzwa nje Mlazi nakamasho. Kamasho kwakukhona lento ukuthi kuyasatshwa akukho right. But I never even used to hear stories from Kamasho happening. That's a crazy. Manje stuff is happening ikaSathane like I'm saying in Nandi. Kahle hle amaphoyisa afanele ehlale semgwaqeni all areas there. Another thing that I don't like that's going on with us abantu abamnyama that we are condoning now and then in families, right? You'll find that umntwana uyaganga yeso. No, you 19-year-old, 17-year-old nini nanda yami dutshulwa umnqobi. Hey, was in a gang, it terrorize abantu, hlanganisa abantu elokishini. Like honestly guys, usatshwe at 19 years. Yeah, guys, there's nothing like that. Even boys like abantu basebebusiness on the day they were still looking for stamps for some things inside the box, inside the casket. Please guys, what kind of life is that life? Ufika nini lapho? Mina always say ukuthi ufika nini. So I was still saying ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama sayithanda ukuyikhondona lento. Umntwana uyambona ufika nezinto la endlini, ama cellphone, udrive imoto awuyazi. After 2 days, 3 days, uhamba nabantu abawu 4, 5, udrive the same car. Wena as a parent uyangena nama-plastic, uyathatha ama-plastic uyadla wena as umama. There was a story guys back in the days when we were growing up ne. Lesi story sasikhuluma ngomama owayeka umntwana kanje. It was in a novel, a Zulu novel. Wamiyeka umntwana yeso. Umntwana wakhula ehlupha egqekeza izindlu zabantu, breaking in people's houses, doing things ezingekho right. Ngeke ngitshela ngazo mama, abanye mama they like acting like they don't know. They know. Uthi umntwana akho isasapho lezo zinto when they don't work. Uyabona ukuthi it needs to stop at some stage. Now as a parent you're going to be like, no please hamba ungaphinde actually losela kwami. And abanye mama when you were growing up they used to say ukuthi lalela mina ngisho ngabosho ngokuzongibona lapha. Actually ungangibizi. I won't come. So lo mntwana I was still telling you about this story before I come back again la in Nandi. Lo mntwana ehlupha yazo. Ehlupha ayikho into engayenzi. Beza abantu back in the days like I said, I've said it in my other video, actually quite a few videos ngikhuluma nje lento ukuthi emandulo back in the days, in the ancient days, ngikhuluma ngecase yakhe Khumalo ukuthi okay into ngabe bayenza wena noma akho ukuyogxolisa kumaka senzomeni ukuthi yazi umntana akho washonela endlini yethu. Yazi in some cases dala kwavele kuthiwa okay bamba nazi inkomo ezu3 siyaxolisa ungasibophisi kwangaboshwa guys emakhaya uzohamba uyoboshwapi. Uyabona le nto kukhulunywe mhlambe enduneni whatever back in the days back ngabe khona izindlu lezi ezisondelene kanje manje. That's exactly what I'm trying to talk about ukuthi dala kwakwenziwa njalo ingane ihamba endlini ha nkosami siyaxolisa bese egqekeze lapha na hayi bayibuyise nezinto ade ithathile ama TV back in the days wasekhona ama video recorder bathi hayi ngeke silethile sibuyisile into ezale ekhaya siyaxolisa bakhokhe some fine of some sort like I said ukuthi in other one ukuthi maybe uzokhipha inkomo xolise nembuzi whatever you have imfuyo onayo uthi ngiyaxolisa. We going back to the story ke manje lesiyana somfana wayeganga back in the days uma wakhe libeletha hayibo kodwa wesinsikhathi uma wakhe angamkhuzi yeso wagwetshwa kumfana waboshwela into eziningi zaseziningi into zakhe amaphoyisa they were actually tired. They were just like no akuhlale ejele kancane. So the day egwetshwa ke he was convicted ke to certain years. Wathi ma usondele la waluma uma wakhe indleba wathi awungikhuzanga. Uma wakho aphuma kuleyo inkantolo the ear was bleeding. It bit her ear. What you didn't tell me to stop. I also didn't know when to stop. Because the problem is that now you need to stop because it's blame money, poverty, I couldn't go to school, I didn't go to school, so what must happen? This is the life for me, guys, please. Right? Go start somewhere else, and become something else, or ask people abasendaweni asebahamba baya koMagoli bahamba bamuvela mhlambe empangeni if usemlazi, change your life and be like, yo mina ngifuna ukushintsha ngeke ngihambe ubuze around. Fine abanye abantu nomakhelwane, they will never tell you how they get their jobs, but uthole be-progressa next door. But abanye they progressing legit, genuinely so. Ask and be like, hey, mina ngifuna ukushintsha bakithi ukuphi umsebenzi, where can I get a job? Move, gotta go and get a room. Esikhawini usebenza empangeni, usebenza e-Richards Bay, there are jobs there. Ungangena e-Shoprite there esikhawini, khona uSpar lapha esikhawini ungasebenza khona, usuke eMlazi usubone hey sekudidizelwa kakhulu la eMlazi, angisakhoni, this is not me, this is not what I signed for, angiyifuni le life, shintsha. Musa nje wena ukuphila impilo yobugula ukuthi ube umgula ukuthi of esigebengu of esigelekeqa of eguluvu uyaziwa uyasatshwa endaweni. What is that? Another story futhi that happened eMlazi, someone I know, umntanakhe ngobo 2008, 2009, 2010, I was there in 2010. Uyangixoxela ukuthi hayi umntana mphela ngixoxela ukuthi hijacking imoto, and hijacking there eMlazi was very, very popular at the time. That's all you could do. There was nothing else. Uthi some days ufika usisi nje omdala kunami, maybe it's about 12 years older than me, someone I know. So ngiyambuza mina ngo-2010 ngithi mina how? And then lona, this is the third day, is in another car, another day. So that day he came in a Mini Cooper. I'm like, what's up with Mini Cooper? Because it doesn't work. When as a parent ugibela kule moto and your other child olamalo ontshontshayo lo ohijacker. So kwenzakalana? You understand? As I know, nje angazi mhlambe izabangani bakithi, no, there's nothing like that. Kanti njengoba ehamba ngale Mini Cooper useke waboshwe le hijacking, but the mother kamkhosi. Uyabona into ezenzayo. You know ukuthi akuphelanga isikhathi, I think in 2012, 2013 waboshwa futhi, waphinde waphuma around 2017. Ubeboshiwe futhi una 3 weeks ephumile again. I'm just like, I'm done. I'm like, he's gonna go back there every time. He went back 3 times, guys. Ewarsville for that prison. Guys, asiyeke ngempela lento le. Asizameni, ask around. Nathi we do so many things la. Khono Inuka, if you wanna join Inuka, DM me. Ngibona ukuthi how can I help you? Ukubona. If you wanna do YouTube nje 2024. I had so many stories around it, especially on my other channel, News Galore for Days. I explained ukuthi if ufuna ukujoina YouTube, illegit, guys. Sometimes it looks like it takes forever even to pay. Mina at some stage I was even demonetized. Ngaphinde ngamonetize. Angiphelanga inhliziyo. While I work, while I do other things, or I do other businesses. Like I've been vocal about it. Uguti, I'm raising 2 of my late sister's children who died at 28, leaving us with a 6-year-old and a 10-year-old. A 10-year-old is a University of Pretoria, yenza i-4th year kulo nyaka lo. Next week uqala i-4th year physiotherapy. Imagine sisomshe no 10. Bese kuzoba umfana una 18 uyeza la kumene goal, it's either uzoya la e-UJ or eVets, sobona ngijoba kuphuma ama results next week. Ngoba ngabatshela ngatlalelani incwadi umngani wenu. Yeah. They must be your friend. I mean, I can't be your friend. And then bona bafunda azange bayeke to a point where my mother was like, you know what, laba base bafundela ukuthi abana mama. Ngathi I don't even think it's that. Their mother was also very smart. She was very good with maths. So I was just like, no, it's not even about that. We're gonna have to keep on close bahlebela nje ukuthi incwadi umngani wenu. Mina, I can't change your life. Yeah, it's your friend. Incwadi. So guys, I'm still saying good, you know what? It hasn't been easy nakuthini ungasibona la ku-YouTube ucabanga ukuthi we are millionaires. No, we're not. Siyazama here and there. Ama-businesses, I have 4 YouTube channels and I said ngingabasiza abantu to get into YouTube. I can help you, advertise you, ngikusize nje, you know, until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And ungamreach in like, you know, these days reach in like 3 months. My other channel called Guningia Mzansi. You must check it. A year crime. The channel is very small. It's a I think 132 subscribers. But I've told myself with the channel, I'm taking it to 1,000 subscribers on the 31st of March. It's goals. It's shared. This is what I'm gonna do. I don't care who says what. And for me, I've seen it with YouTube because it hasn't been easy, but it's about consistency. If you're not consistent on YouTube, you're not gonna make it. And it's hard now consistency because uyasebenza wenza lokhu bambalana wenza uyayibona leyo nto leyo. It's a bit hard uyabuka ukuthi hayi mana ngiqola la imali eningi YouTube. But put something every day, guys. Mina there's a channel ku YouTube engaqala ngayo, my personal channel. I started with it 4 years ago. You know why it hasn't paid me? The channel is sitting at 759 subscribers. But now I've now said, you know what? End of March, I'm done with the channel. So there's 2 channels that I'm busy with. Which end of March, they must pay me. If I have to. I must deprive myself of sleep. I don't sleep anything more than 6 hours. It's normally 4 to 6 hours. So you have to push. Zama something. Guys, abantu they are on YouTube now. They are doing videos. How to start YouTube in 2026. This is what you must do to start YouTube. Guys, ngeke okunye siyazenzela and abanye bayakwata mawusuqala usho njalo athi hayi wena you've always been well off. You are well off where I've always been fine way, because if I can tell you ukuthi ngiphuma phi ngeke uzukhona, you'll be like hayi man, please win, don't dream. Guys, ukuzama every day, put something. Kuyake nje wena nje every time uyakhala ayikho into izamayo. Ask around, ask nabantu abangebona abangakini kwenye indawo. Uhambe nje uyobuza around uphi umsebenzi, uyongqonqoza ke Pick n Pay. Ngizokuthiwa manje futhi eShoprite usuyakwazi uku-apply through WhatsApp. Do that. I've seen iShoprite next to me. I'm like seeing, mina ngumuntu wabantu, so I've always been talking to little ladies there at Shoprite. Oh, they even know my name. Oh, sis Pam. How we haven't seen you? We has for 3 hours. I wasn't here. I was in KZN. Uyakhuluma nabantu. That's how you find work. What's gonna happen to you? So ngizele example nje ukuthi naseyitolo buka mina eShoprite ngiyaziyo. That is not far from my house. Even my child is just like ba. You speak to everybody. I'm like, yeah. You know, ukuthi nase Shoprite ba subscribe like YouTube. It's just that's how you deal with it. They couldn't believe it. They were like, how in your other channel you even cook? I'm like, yeah, I cook. On my other channel, I can cook. It's unbelievable when you're speaking to someone, eShayitili, eShoprite, abakholwa ukuthi uyapheka wena. I'm like, no, actually, not even that one. Nale indaba, you can watch. I've got other 3 zeyindaba. How you do? Yes, I do. Nginenye futhi indaba. Bukani indaba, what's the tea? Bukani Guningia Mzansi, bukani News Galo for days. That's my other channel. Guys, please, ziningi indlela singazama sihlezi sikhoma. Kubuka manje ukuthi uGwede Mantashe busy dragging us and trashing us ethi South Africans we are lazy. I was just like, bro, ukhuluma nobani? Ukhuluma ngani? Kamgibela ke nami. But samgibela, so there were a lot of us. We were like, no, ngasijwayeli. Please. Some of us siyazama, guys. Ayikho into esingakayi try network marketing. I've been in it since 2016 until this one inuka took off. You know, ngoba ngibezothi ngijoin mina leyo nto angikwazi ukudayisa. But uhleli kini awenzine kini for that matter una 40. You've never stayed alone. You just like when ufila nje ukuthi you're entitled to kuhlala lapha kini uma wakho akukweleta at the back room lapha kini. Please guys. I mean, it's not easy, I know. I won't lie. It is not easy. Amanye ama situation ayibo ukuthi ayila kunzima ukuthi umuntu aphume kulento. Or aphume la kule situation or aphume kuleli lokishi. But come out, try, Zama. There's so many ways, eh? So I'm still saying again this year, if you want to join YouTube, join YouTube. And then if you need help, you think advertiser. I mean, I'm very new to TikTok because at TikTok I was just like, I can't be doing videos for free. I joined TikTok after a minister of communication said last year in July, South Africans have to be paid. When he went to Davos in Switzerland speaking for us, what Africans need to be paid. South Africans are the best. They are the best South Africans. So you're going to have to pay them. So when they started paying again in July, I joined in June last year. I'm still trying to get ways of being paid on TikTok. Ikhona good description in TikTok yam. So guys, yabona ukuthi ungazama ku Facebook nakhona I'm a bit new when it comes to payments. I'm busy with that. So yabona ukuthi guys imali khona thina siyalala phezu kwayo. That's what I used to say mangi ngenza ama presentations einuka. Ngithi no we sleep on it. Imali ulimuthi no mina angikwazi ukuthengisa account but ayikho into nayo ayikho futhi into yenza uhlelike wena literally you don't even have a 9 to 5 but ubusy utshela izitori. Let's go back to Enanda. Enanda ke guys ke istory sakhona nabako mama bayarola phansi bayakhala ubabonile ngithi ngizozama ukubaclipha la ngibafake bakhalelani abafowabo laba badubulele bathi abenza ngalutho. Kanjani guys when the police came and then they were shooting that's coming from the house. Abantu beme ngaphandle badutshula amaphoyisa nalabantu badubulana. Omunye usethi ene ubaba wakhe ubemdala kabi lo ubaba oshonile. Wenzeni? Kunjani guys when they were shooting that was coming inside. Ibona badubula amaphoyisa first. Amaphoyisa they came to say hello, we're looking for Sbanbani, we're looking for Obanban. And then they started shooting from inside guys. So this is story. It could happen ukuthi naso asikho right. This is sense again under the shooting where 5 people were unalived. Sebedindileze phansi lapho with their lifeless bodies. It didn't end well. And then kono mama they seen there crying about abenzanga next labantu. But I'm like, there's a chance ukuthi you knew when I as a sister and a mother, you did not reprimand these people. Awubakhuzanga uzanga ukuthi stop ubugebengu, stop ubuqhopololo abubhadali. Stop doing those things they don't pay. Lezo zenzayo. And abantu bakhona bahlukumeza abantu. Benza ama extortions there, benza all sorts of things ambe collect imali. Hey bayahlukumeza abantu guys in such a way that you feel ukuthi hayibo guys ngenzeni engaka. Ngize ngihlukunyezwe kanje in life. So ke kanjalo ke guys indaba. Asizamini ukuzama nje everything. So ngime lapho nje kancane guys. Yeah, I just wanted to put out my 2 cents. Thank you so much guys for always loving this channel. Nami ngimthanda over.
Reading area of Inanda in northern Durban has left 5 suspects dead. Police say they were acting on intelligence when they pounced on the suspects in this house in the Bester area. The 5 men were believed to be part of a criminal gang that had been terrorizing Inanda and surrounding communities for some time. Police say when they tried to gain entry into this house, the suspects opened fire.
When we got information that they were hiding in this house, we came this morning, announced our presence, and the suspects opened fire at the police. Police were left with no other choice but to return fire. And during that shootout, 5 suspects were shot and fatally wounded.
Police say they recovered 4 firearms, magazines, and live ammunition on the scene. The mother of one of the men killed had a tough task of identifying the body of her 26-year-old son, Lindokuhle Mnyandu. She says she wasn't aware of his alleged involvement in criminal activities.
I didn't know about this. I was also shocked to hear that he was killed, but I have accepted what has happened.
Some residents say not all of the men killed were criminals. One man believes his uncle Siyabonga Ntombela was just at the wrong place at the wrong time.
I'm not happy at all because you can ask even a child and you would learn that he did not do anything wrong. Carlos was loved by everyone. He used to chill with his friends and drink the whole day. He never did anything wrong.
Police say the operation is part of a broader crackdown on violent crime in Inanda and surrounding areas.